Hey everybody, so in this video we're talking about exponential growth and decay. So in this problem it says the crime rate of a certain city is increasing by exactly 7% each year. If there were 450 crimes in the year 1990 and the crime rate remains constant each year, determine the approximate number of crimes in the year 2024, round to the nearest whole number. Normally when you have an exponential function, you see it in the form of this. You have y equals a times b to the x. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to slightly change this base here because they're telling us our growth rate. So we're going to keep the same formula, but we're just going to change the way we notate b. We're now going to do it like this. So what if we had y equals a and we have 1 plus the rate raised to the x. Now, this 1 plus r is the exact same thing as b. Because they're giving us a growth rate, we're going to use this formula because r is the rate as a decimal. So if I'm growing by 7%, I want to know what that is as a decimal. So this would be y equals a 1 plus 0.07, and this would be raised to the x. So our growth factor now is going to be 1.07. So that would be our growth factor, the same that you would see it for b right here. So we know A stands for the initial amount. Well, they tell us that there were 450 crimes in the year 1990. So there are 450 to start. My growth factor is 1.07. And x represents the number of years that have passed. So the number of years that pass from 1990 to 2024 is going to be 34 years. So here we will raise this to the power of 34. Now this you cannot do in your head unless you're some kind of genius, which if you are, kudos to you, and you should probably be making these videos and not me. But we're going to type this on a calculator. So we're going to say 450 times 1.07, and we're going to raise that to the 34th power. And our answer to the nearest whole number is going to be 4,490. All right, that's going to be all for this example. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video.